Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I'll be demonstrating yet another project. It's based on RFID card, just a key holder. You just place it in your maybe in your keys, bunch of keys. Okay, so I'll be demonstrating how it works and the things I've used to make it. So we got a reader here, RFID, a card reader, an LCD for visual display. So have a motor for opening the door. It is based on Atmega chip. Atmega, you can see it right there. It uses a adapter, that's its power supply. Some couple of regulator for regulating voltage going to the LCD, servo motor, and the RFID card reader. So once I power the gadget, it will display some writing, and then it will ask you to place your card, which in my case I'm using a blue card. So once I place my card, it will open the door. It's fast. It will open the door for some seconds and then close the door. And it's changing the display on the LCD. Once I press again, it will close the door. So if you put a wrong card, it will reject the card since the system does not recognize it. I think that's all. So this is a servo motor for opening the door, and that's all. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.